Yes, good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Fulme. So today we will see the topic that is Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage. Okay, so we will first see that is KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current. So it is also called as the first current law. So what is that law? It's very simple. At any instant, the algebraic sum of the current at the junction in the network is equals to 0, right? So we will see what is KCL with the help of this tab. Now look at this particular node or junction, and 5 currents are coming and going away from this particular node. That is, I1 is incoming current, I2 is incoming, I3 is incoming, I4 is outgoing, because see the arrow, I5 is outgoing. Okay, so what is the sign convention? The current entering into the nodes, that is incoming current. See this one, it is positive current, you can consider, and the current leaving the nodes are the negative, that is I4 and I5. Okay, so these are, you can consider this is positive current and these are the negative. So how to write the equation? What is the KCL law says that if you have this network, then you can write. So I1 देखो, I1 कहाँ जा रहा है? Incoming है. So I1 I have written positive plus I1. Then I2, that is plus I2. I3 plus I3, that is plus algebraic sum है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? The current leaving the nodes, the outgoing current, that is minus I4 plus of minus I5, which is equals to 0. So what is the final thing? That is I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is equals to, you can write I4 and I3. Okay, so this is what your the KCL law. Okay, and what about KVL? KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law. It's similar to that of KCL. This law is considering the voltages. So this is also called the second law, that is voltage law. So at any instant, the algebraic sum of all the voltage source, okay, and voltage drop within the closed loop must be equal to 0. देखो यहाँ पे ये circuit है, these are the resistors. So how to write a KVL? The voltage across A B node, that is A and B के across का जो voltage है, see this one, A and B के across का जो voltage है, so this is what VAB, right? So B and C के across का voltage है, that is VBC. C and D इसके across का है VCD, and D and A इसके across का है VDA, which is equals to 0, right? And if the voltage source are present here, अगर यहाँ पे voltage source दिया है, that is plus minus यहाँ पे कुछ pi volt वगैरह दिया है, तो that also you can consider. Since the algebraic sum of voltages drop, that is these are the voltages drop, equals the algebraic sum of voltage sources. अगर voltage source है तो you can write over. So this is what your the KVL. So the question can be a 2 marks. State the KCL or the state the KVL along with diagram, and the diagrams are extremely important when you are writing the answer in the exam for exam. Okay, so the problems on the KCL and KVL that we are going to see in detail in the next videos. Thank you so much.